amazing program where we provide opportunities, resources, and educational curriculum related to digital media arts, where students will be able to learn how to do photography, how to do film, how to edit, as well as be able to build their confidence in telling their own stories.
Today is for our AVID project. One kind act is EnVision Me. Of course, here with the Gantt Center, we had to pick a kind act and then go out, do community service for it, write a paper on it, and just present our one kind act, just something to change the world. What do you think that's going to help impact the world in a different way?
We also had to conduct interviews with different people, and we talked to them about different things and how they work in their community, and we formed our video through that was presented in that room.
We want them to get new opportunities and new experiences. So we also invite them to our MODA, like a digital art studio, where they get to do hands-on photography, filmmaking, learn from experts within our community.
I'm grateful for this program because I feel like this has opened my eye in a different way, and I got to learn more things that I know other people in Hopewell or any other schools aren't learning. So.
I agree. It just helped me more with technology and how to use it more, with the computers and the cameras and stuff.